Welcome to our channel where innovation meets functionality. Today, we're unveiling the best Android apps of 2023. From groundbreaking education tools to immersive entertainment, these apps redefine the Android experience. Whether you're a music lover, AI enthusiast, or mindfulness seeker, there's something for everyone in this roundup. Join us as we unpack the brilliance behind these apps, exploring exquisite designs and transformative concepts that set them apart. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest tech discoveries. Imprint Learn Visually is an exceptional educational app recognized as the best app of 2023. This app stands out for its innovative approach to learning, offering users an engaging and personalized experience. Through bite-sized lessons and captivating visual storytelling, Imprint caters to diverse interests, ranging from human history to psychology. Its strength lies in delivering knowledge in a visually appealing manner, making complex subjects easily understandable and enjoyable to explore. Spotify, the well-known music streaming service, secured the Best Multi-Device App Award. Its versatility allows seamless music streaming across various settings, whether at home, during commutes, or while out and about. Notably, Spotify's feature to remotely control playback on different devices enhances the user experience. Additionally, the ability to download favorite songs for offline listening further solidifies its position as a top-tier music app. ChatGPT garnered the User's Choice Award, reflecting its widespread popularity and impact in 2023. Renowned as a leading generative AI platform, ChatGPT made significant strides, becoming a cornerstone of technology that powers Microsoft's Bing Chat. Its prowess in natural language understanding and generation has captivated users worldwide. Anticipated as a significant player in 2024, ChatGPT continues to evolve, promising an even more impactful year ahead. Bumble for Friends, abbreviated as BFF, redefines the social networking landscape by prioritizing genuine friendships over traditional dating connections. This unique offering from Bumble is tailored for individuals seeking meaningful relationships in new cities or wanting to expand their social circle. By omitting the dating aspect and focusing solely on fostering platonic relationships, BFF creates a safe and welcoming space for individuals to connect authentically. Void Pet Garden. Mental health stands out for its innovative approach to improving mental well-being. Employing a captivating concept reminiscent of Pokémon, the app revolves around nurturing Void pets born from negative emotions. Users engage in tasks and activities aimed at nurturing these creatures, transforming them into celestial-looking dragons. This creative approach emphasizes mindfulness and self-care, encouraging users to cultivate positivity through personalized nurturing experiences. Artifact, Feed Your Curiosity functions as a gateway to a curated stream of news articles across a broad spectrum of topics. Resembling the Explore page of X, formerly known as Twitter, the app delivers personalized content from diverse realms like the tech industry, politics, and gaming. Users can engage with articles, even marking certain stories as clickbait, contributing to enhanced curation based on individual preferences. Aware. Mindfulness and well-being takes a grounded approach to fostering mindfulness and mental well-being. Offering science-based exercises and live-guided sessions, this app serves as a journaling tool without the need for creating accounts or subscriptions. Despite initially low downloads, its recognition as the best hidden gem suggests the potential for exponential growth due to its valuable content and user-friendly accessibility. Character AI emerged as a playful and interactive app, winning accolades for its engaging personality-driven chatbots. Users can converse with various characters, ranging from historical figures like Amelia Earhart and Julius Caesar to mythical personas like Poseidon, god of the ocean. This lighthearted yet immersive experience resembles a video game, offering users a fun and interactive way to engage with AI-driven personalities. PAW Patrol Academy caters to younger audiences, specifically designed for kids aged 2 to 5. Integrating characters from the beloved animated series, the app offers interactive adventures and educational content. Notably, it operates offline, ensuring children can enjoy its offerings even while on the go. With a focus on problem-solving skills and creativity, the app aims to engage and educate young minds in a safe and entertaining environment. A World in support of Act Now is a purpose-driven app centered on combating climate change. Its core functionality revolves around helping users calculate their carbon footprint and providing actionable steps to reduce environmental impact. From suggesting activities like tree planting to advocating the use of natural products, the app encourages eco-friendly practices. Furthermore, it fosters community engagement through group challenges, motivating users to collectively contribute to environmental conservation. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the best Android apps of 2023. We hope you found this journey through innovation inspiring and insightful. For more in-depth reviews and the latest in tech, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and ring the bell to stay updated. Explore our channel for a treasure trove of tech content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating. See you in our next video.